So here is how to check for AI with Grammarly. To do this, you first need to go over to the Grammarly website. And as you can see, I'm already here. You can also use the app or an extension in order to use this feature. So here on the website, let's go over to the Docs option from the left panel. Over here, or New Doc on the top to open a new document. For this one, I will click on New Doc. Now, let's just give it some time to load up. So once a new blank doc opens, you can type in or paste in your text right over here. Once you're done, you will notice this AI detector option on the bottom right. Just click on it and it will start analyzing your text. You can also access the feature from the right panel by clicking on this magnifying glass icon. Keep in mind that this is a premium feature and you will not be able to use it on your free plan. And that's it. That is exactly how to check for AI with Grammarly.